Nan'ao by Linking368Taiwan. Nan'ao, the hillside village, sweet place of the Taya people. Rolling hills and winding paths are beautiful. Country abundant of fish and rice. Poem by Linking368Taiwan.
What a sight we have here! Today we are at Nan'ao in Yilan. This is a beautiful town. I'm currently at Dongyue Fountain. The water temperature here is between 14 and 16 degrees Celsius. It's great all year round. Great even when it's hot outside. The fountain is only open from June to October for wildlife preservation, so plan your itinerary accordingly. Nan'ao is a place with beautiful mountains and oceans. It is the home of the Atayal people. There is plenty to do around here. It's culturally rich, so follow me. Let's go!
Yeah, let's go! Come on, get in here!
What? Oh, so cold!
You like that?
Oh, we're already starting now? Oh, take this! It's so cold.
Nan'ao is the largest township in Yilan, but it also has the least dense population. Surrounded by mountains and oceans, it's a great place. So follow our footsteps and venture forth.
Welcome to the Jinyue Tribe.
This bell is special. This is Sayun's bell. What is the history behind this bell?
Well, there was a tribe girl called Sayun. She and her friends were escorting someone. They were helping out a man called Takita Masaki, but the girls were swept away by a flood. So what happened was then relayed to the Japanese government in Taiwan at that time. The girl was celebrated as a patriot, so the bell was gifted to the tribe. The bell is rung when the tribe has visitors. Today, that would be you guys.
Oh, great! I hear that your tribe has a lot of fun things to do.
Yep, well, let's get going.
It is said that the Jinyue tribe is home to a brave boar hunter, the one-armed huntsman. Let's follow him into the forests of Nan'ao. I am very happy to have visitors from the cities. May all that the forest has left behind can welcome you with open arms today and guide us in our adventure today. We learned to make this in elementary school. It's one of the first traps we learned to make. The trap is called a bailin, and it's used to catch birds. Birds? Partridge or anything that flies can be caught with this.
Oh, because birds will fly down to catch worms as prey, I guess.
So what is this trap called?
But belling.
No. Bailing is the thing that boys have.
Oh, no, it's not belling?
Bailing.
Oh, it's pronounced as belling.
Yes, bailing. Do you know why I say it this way? It's because that's what I was taught. Because if it's not passed down orally, the sound of the words will be lost to time. You can experience what it feels to be caught in this trap. Okay, put your hand here. Like this? It worked! Yes! So that's how it works. The trap's design is ingenious. The man with over 50 years of experience teaches us how the Atayal people hunt traditionally. It is a testament to how crafty the tribesmen were and a testament to their resourcefulness. What's even more important is that behind every hunter is a family. This is why he can wrestle with a 160-kilogram boar and survive to become the great one-armed huntsman of the Jinyue tribe. Besides hunting, the tribe has another craft that we're going to showcase today.
Hello, Mr. Pasan.
Hello.
Hey, when we talk about the Atayal people, we mostly think about their hunters.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but the Atayal people also has other cultures like wicker weaving.
Right, we call it Timanun.
Temenun. How long have you been doing this?
For about 30 years.
Oh, you are very experienced.
You are a pro at this.
So what we're going to do today is going to be very simple,
Not too hard.
not too hard.
So here, one for each of you.
One for each of us.
Okay. Take one? Yes. Take a strand each. Move your hands like this and follow my movements.
Oh, full circle.
Spin it like this.
Full circle. Mine's a bit too wide. I need to be looser. Okay.
And weave it like this.
Oh, you need some know-how for this.
Wait. Weave it like this.
Mr. Pasan, I was taking a walk earlier and I saw a lot of signs that all say professional weaver. It is true that in this tribe most people know weaving?
Yes. Everyone learns this? You must learn this because we can't abandon this craft. Our people have always done this, so everyone must learn this. It's culture. The culture must be passed down.
So even children learn this.
Yes, even children.
So when do they start learning to weave?
In elementary school.
Wow, elementary school.
Yes.
So the first thing children learn to weave, do they also start like what we're making?
No, something simpler.
Simpler? Can we do the simpler one? It's too hard.
This is just what we show visitors so we can show the craftier side.
It's too hard for me.
The elder weaver's hands moves with enchanted dexterity as each wicker strand gradually comes together to form an elegantly crafted work of art. Spin, cross, knot, cut. He pours in all his focus and infuses his work with spirit. Even though we struggle to weave the strands together, but under his careful guidance, a simple bracelet is still doable at the end of the day. How much do you think this can sell for? Just kidding. This is a unique memorabilia for my visit to the Jinyue Tribe.
Just remove the black bits?
Yes, we want the red bits inside.
Okay. Oh, this is so pretty.
What I find really special is this cloth dyed with yam. It's very special. I've seen cloth that can be dyed blue, but only blue. This is my first time seeing cloth dyed red with yam. Tighten it with a rubber band.
Oh, what again?
Tie it.
Tie it together. Just tie it so that this part.
Won't get dyed?
No, so that it doesn't come loose. Yeah.
Soak it in water, then rinse it and toss it inside.
Oh, looks tasty. Looks like bacon or beef jerky. Oh. Hey, don't waste the dye. Gently.
I thought more force would help. Okay, gently.
This is precious material, Will.
I'll go at it a bit gentler.
Oh, pound like this? Okay, I get it.
The color's changing.
Yeah, this way it doesn't spray all over.
The color's changing.
Okay, the one I made is the one with more rubber bands. So this one is mine.
I only used 3 bands.
Yeah.
Yam has always been an important dye for the Atayal people. In this traditional cloth dyeing experience, the pounding process teaches me how much effort it took to make things. Now that we're hungry, let's go to Sayun's kitchen. These all look delicious! What is this?
This is banana rice for the Atayal people. We call it the hunter's rice.
Oh, hunter's rice.
When you hunt, you can't start a fire. So wives prepare this banana rice as an expression for love for their husbands. This is also traditional Atayal food. The older generation say you should eat this cold, so it's more chewy.
Thailand has a similar food that uses plantains.
Oh, this smells of bananas.
Yes, it has a faint sweetness for the banana.
It's very tasty. Now, this looks pretty. It's impressive.
This is pumpkin and spice gua bao.
Oh, we start by stuffing it with the filling inside.
Yes.
Oh, like this?
Yes.
Oh, then fold it.
It's like a burger.
Oh, it has a sour tang.
Oh, just a bit.
Oh, the sourness comes from our pickled meat, which is made with millet. The sourness comes from the millet that's been fermented.
Oh, so it's not overly sour.
Well, here's the thing. Pickled meat is traditionally eaten raw.
Raw?
Not everyone can handle that. That's why this version is cooked. The raw one looks like this. Take a bite.
Oh, the flavor is intense.
Oh, it tastes the fermented millet. One bite. How is it?
Oh, wait.
It's better with rice. How is it?
Okay,
can also
the
add
flavor starts strong, but has a chew on it, the flavors improves.
We don't just pickle meat. We also pickle fish and wild boar.
Right.
You use pickling a lot.
Because all of our ingredients are sourced locally, be it vegetables, millet, or prickly ash. These are our homegrown shiitake mushrooms.
It's a meat bun. Foreigners will love it.
Oh, it's delicious.
It's really tasty. Shredded meat formed into a meatball paired with mushrooms, so good.
Well, the key is the local ingredient, which is the prickly ash.
Okay, I want to ask you something. At this place, the Sayun Kitchen, how did it started? How it was first founded?
The venue is borrowed from the local elementary school.
Borrow.
Yes, because our association is based here. It is a community center. Initially, we wanted to connect with the tribe and provide meals for elders. Many elders live here. They're oftentimes too old and can't get around easily. So the idea was to offer them meals like lunch.
Oh, as a way to give back, right?
And all the food is made with local ingredients, right? That's amazing.
So come on, dig in.
Already,
Why aren't you eating? Hurry up.
This is my favorite.
It's so delicious, right?
The tanginess whets your appetite. Cooked over high heat, the local ingredients form each flavorful dish. Behind the delicious food lies a mission to give back to the community. It fills us with joy and gratitude. The warmth of Sayun's kitchen is the best experience in the Jinyue Tribe. Come taste the dishes yourself. Make a date and we'll see you there.